wrong side of the cars. Gotta get on the other side. Hey, how you doing, man? Thought I was coming to talk to him. Just wanted to see his car. Look at that color, man. Look at the sun bouncing off that car. That's,
good morning.
Good morning. That's a nice deep purple.
Yeah, the real color is plum foolish.
Plum foolish.
Yeah. It's PPG in the Vibrant series, plum foolish.
That's cool. Deep purple. That's a highway star right there. Doors open. Let's check out the interior.
It has 34,000 miles on it.
This does?
Yes, sir. I can show you if you want.
Oh, I believe you. I will not question you.
It's a home-built car.
Yeah.
It's painted in my garage. No paint shop. I can show you the photos.
I believe you.
Watering the ground.
Right. That's cool.
Yeah.
That is a cool car. What is it? Tell me what it is.
37 Ford 3-window coupe.
Awesome. Beautiful. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning. Looking big business. Big business. What it is.
.396 turbojet.
Well, that's what I thought they were. I had a guy named Vance Wilson at my time. He said he's the best. So when they send me somewhere else, I get over there and they say, what are you?
61 Chevrolet Impala bubble top. True Pennsylvania barn find. All original paint, engine, interior. 283 cubic inch V8. Factory power pack. 3-speed on the column. Easy tinted glass with power steering. Car out of Daytona Beach Shores. That's original interior and paint. Wow. Check that out, will you? Pontiac LT4. I hear something coming in behind me. Let's turn around and see what this is. And then we'll get back to looking at that Pontiac. Guess I'm gonna get run over.
Hi, Alan.
Good morning, Mr. Weed and Mrs. Weed. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Awesome, cool. 2024 ZL1. Let's go look at the Pontiac some more. It's a good looking car. Two-door Pontiac GTO 6.5 liter LT4 Pontiac motor. I like the chrome along the bottom of it. Resto mod brakes, new discs all the way around. It says 1965 on the license plate, so I'm assuming it's a 65 Pontiac. Good looking car. Let's take a quick peek at the interior. Good looking car. Kidding? Where's he going? Wonder if he's gonna go do a donut. Probably not. Trying to be slick, going in the back door. This is for you. That's a business card I want to give you. Tony, hey, I want to give you a business card, Tony. That's Nick and Cody's.
Is that the place off
Oak Street? Yeah, it's down there on Oak Street.
Yeah, I know where
Who
it's
is
at.
Cody?
Cody's the owner. Or he's a part owner. He's an interior man down there.
Who's Nick?
Nick is the actual owner. He's been in business there for 3 years. He's a one-stop shop now. They've expanded out to a 5,000 square foot building where they're doing all mechanical work. Get your oil changed down there. You can
How
get.
many mechanics he got working?
He's got 5 certified mechanics working now in his building. He's got an auto body shop on site now. He's getting a paint booth put in there. So if you guys need any work, there's his number. It's 386-216-6937. You can ask for either Nick or David. David is the shop manager. He'd be the one to get a hold of. So there you go. This is my paid promotion.
He's doing Buddy's Riviera right now.
Pretty damn cool.
everybody a while to get there. I was the beginning one yesterday. We filled up for a while.
You know, does it park anywhere? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Chevy GTH is. That's one right there, but I don't know what that is. Nothing, just taking your picture.
Oh,
What's your name?
Gary.
Gary, you're on my Drive-By Cars with Alan. Be sure to subscribe and like to the channel. That's a lot of flat black paint right there now.
What do you want?
Oh, I don't care. I'm just taking your pictures. All right. You guys are great. Come on. Express, and then a Chevy. East side. Hobbyist from Wisconsin. Where do I want you? I want you to just drive on by. Cool little 1956 Chevy sitting here. Post car. That's why it's called a post car. Michigan plate. good looking little car. Nice. It is a Chevrolet 1956 Chevrolet Del Rey. Yep. Del Rey Coupe. It's a 210 Chevrolet. '65 sedan delivery. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Nothing else, just to make a good short. I don't know if that music's playing in the background or not. You can hear it. T-tops, automatic. Nope. It is a 4-speed cassette tape player. Fan. Nope. No AC. Wow.